I'm really getting it all around my hands, Claire.
I've got a sheen.
It's as if our hands are a beautiful slice of bruschetta. Hello and welcome to another episode of Hacker Wack. Today, you're gonna smell my finger. Hey, Claire.
Hi, Joel.
I found this stainless steel bar that looks like a bar of soap. It's called the Rub-Away bar, and supposedly it will get the pesky smell of garlic off your fingers.
I love to rub my problems away, so I'm excited about this.
I think the only way to test this is to get our hands really garlicky.
I've got a couple cloves. I'm just gonna smash them and rub them around.
Mmm, garlic. Our hands are sufficiently disgusting. So should we try to wash them
Without the rub away.
and see how well this works? So we have both just washed our hands with soap. I just smell soap, I don't smell garlic, do you?
I smell a little bit of garlic. It's hard because I use the, oh, no, see the garlic's coming through.
Really?
It's reasserting its dominance.
I really don't get much. I'm going to reapply the garlic.
Okay,
So I guess we could see if the Rub-Away bar works as well as soap.
sure. Well, or am I, because I can still smell it.
I really can't. Bruschetta hands, bruschetta hands. I know I say this every time. This might be the weirdest thing we've ever done.
On camera.
Now, the Rub-Away bar, it says that you do it under running water and you would use it as you would a bar of soap.
Okay.
Rub-Away bar. Okay, that was just the Rub-Away bar and water. Shall we smell our hands? Mine are still garlicky.
Mine are about the same. Yeah, it's about the same as soap.
I would agree with you. I think about the same as soap.
Yeah.
So I suppose if you washed your hands with soap and the smell is haunting you like a raven in the Edgar Allan Poe poem, then you can try it.
I just don't know why you would need this when soap exists.
Just looks like a weird prop from like a future house where soap is metal.
Yeah, I don't see any big difference between this and the soap, so I'm gonna say it's Wack.
What do you suggest one does with this metal fake bar of soap?
Paperweight?